There was this very elderly gentleman who has composed a lot of bhajans. He is coming to Swami from the 1960s. He was from Delhi. In fact, he was a graded artist on the All India Radio, which is a big thing. You know, All India Radio was the...
I doubt they know what the All India Radio is about.
Yeah, All India Radio was like the one radio channel for all of India. So that's why All India Radio. So yeah, that pretty much sums it. Yeah, simple definition. So he was a graded artist in that. So which is a big deal. And he also worked for the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. They had a department called the Song and Drama Department, the Information and Broadcasting Ministry of India. He worked there and he was a very good singer and a graded artist, like I said. He's composed a lot of bhajans for Swami. He was sitting in our midst, and one day Swami came into the bhajan hall before the bhajan started. And this gentleman had not yet come and sat in his place. We were all seated. So Swami goes to one of the school children and he tells him, see, I'll come in a little later and I'll ask you a question and you just say not good. That's all I want from you. So this kid was happy. Yes, I got something to do, you know, Swami said. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, this gentleman comes and takes his place in the bhajan group. Swami walks in again after that. And just he's casually chatting with everybody, including this gentleman. Then he goes to the mat in between the gents and ladies. And there he looks at the schoolboy who's already been, you know, has advanced information. He has a question paper and the answer with him. So Swami looks at the boy and says, see that man sitting there? How does he sing? So this student didn't know what the question was going to be, but he knew the answer. Promptly got up and said, Swami, not good, Swami. So Swami was very happy with this answer and said, not good? Then he looked at this gentleman and said, Kya? In Hindi, he spoke to him in Hindi and said, what, this little boy here says that you don't sing well. Listening to him, we would sing his bhajans, and he was still singing wonderfully in our midst. Swami said, this little boy says you're not singing well. And we were wondering what's going to happen next, what this man is going to break down or what's going to happen. This man just knelt down in front of Swami, folded his hands and said, yes, Swami, I will practice more. And we were like, yeah, exactly. Such a collective sigh kind of went off from all of us, and we were like, oh my God. And then Swami said, good man, sit down. And just looked at all of us sitting around him, gave us a nice smile and walked out. And like I said, no, this is a lesson that he teaches in front of all of us, so that it was something for us to imbibe. Somebody who has sung for 25 years, a graded artist who's learned so much, composed so much. But if a little kid gets up and says, no, you're not singing well, he says, yes, I will practice more. He had the humility to say that I will do more. Yes, I need to learn more. So that is another lesson that we learned about humility in his presence.